We went to visit Adventure Playground in Yorba Linda. It combines a splash pad with a playground. As we enter, there's a field where kids can play baseball or soccer. A covered patio with tables and benches makes it great for bringing snacks. We started with a splash pad, which had a lot of water jets coming out of rock structures.
That's a big waterfall.
Our kids really liked the arch rock and waterfall. Then we headed over to the playground, which is designed like a ropes course.
Good job, Emerson.
There are multiple places to enter by climbing up.
You're doing great, bud.
One of the most unique features is a rope bridge that goes around the playground.
Good job, Emerson. Doing great job, Elliot.
There's a metal tunnel that goes from one level to the next.
Emerson.
And a fast tunnel slide.
Whoa!
Then we went to ride on the zip lines.
Wow! Go! Hang on tight, hang on tight. Hang on tight.
There's also a water slide that our kids weren't tall enough to ride, but great for older children. And there's a regular playground outside of the park that our kids still enjoyed. Adventure Playground in Orange County has a great variety of activities that all kids will love.